So we got lucky. There's been so many Jordan 1s that have released lately, man. You forget about the little things, like just the smell of a brand new pair of ones, man, hits so different. It just takes me back to the days of like not being able to just buy what you want. You know what I mean? Like, we all work hard, but y'all remember those days where you really had to hustle? Like, you knew you didn't have the money, so you had to figure out how to get it. There was no 9 to 5. There was no job. There was no guaranteed income. It was like, moms ain't getting me those. Let me figure it out. I miss those days. It was, let me line up at the mall, scrape together some money. Let me get 2 pairs because it's first come, first serve. And let me sell this second pair to buy my first pair and still have some money left over. Had nothing to do with luck. It was all skill. Those were the good times, man. We all know there's a sudden shift in the sneaker culture. But honestly, there are some colorways that drop and you're like, okay, I'm feeling that. So right here we have the Lucky Greens. These are set to release April 15th, I believe. Retail's coming in at a smooth 180, not too crazy. You get next day shipping, hit you like 225 by the end of it all with tax. But clean pair, man. Look, I already noticed a flaw on this pair. This hole right here isn't all the way cut out, but I don't really matter. So the Lucky Greens, man, they're actually based on back when Jordan dropped 63 on the Celtics. I feel like this is a hot shoe, man. You can't ever go wrong with black and green. It's just a color that everyone loves. I'm actually surprised they didn't drop these like around St. Patrick's Day, but at the end of the day, it's irrelevant. It really doesn't matter. It's a Jordan 1. It's a good colorway. Realistically, it'll probably sell out. And it is funny, you can actually get them close to retail right now. So if you do miss out, this is a pair that you won't get hit over the head just to cop them. And I think it's really funny. Like, you know, I always look at comments. I love reading, seeing what people have to say and feedback, blah, blah, blah. But a lot of people get, especially like these so-called OGs, I would consider myself, I've been doing this, you know what I mean? And when I mention anything about resell or if they're gonna sit or my opinion, people get so butthurt. It's insane. Like, you said they're not gonna, they sold out. They sold out. Why does anyone, back in my day, people didn't care what the price was. And I think everyone gets like the concept twisted. When I say something isn't gonna sell out, I mean in terms of you should wait, because at this time, especially in the economy we're in, bro, just in general, like, I'm about saving money. I don't like paying full price for things. And I mean, that might be wild to some people. You guys remember I used to run the affiliate page where I came up with deals under cost. I'm all about how can we stay fresh and get it for cheaper, because at the end of the day, we're all being finessed by brands. And a lot of times product goes on sale. Sometimes when sneakers don't sell out, inventory gets pulled off, and what Nike or Adidas or anyone will do will backdoor or wholesale those to sneaker stores. Happens all the time. I know I'm getting away from the whole why you're even watching this video, but it's just something I needed to say because I just feel like, bro, people don't make any sense. But this is a dope colorway, guys. My first impressions right out of the box, you know, it's your typical Jordan 1. There's nothing phenomenal about the quality. We're not looking at any like shattered backboard material. If anything, I almost feel like this material has been downgraded opposed to the other Jordan 1s that have came out. The leather seems to be like really stiff, and this is a pair directly from Nike. I'll throw up the got 'em confirmation because people are weirdos. Looks like we have a black pair of laces right here. I think this would look good, better than the green laces. I'm not really a fan of the green laces that I guess come stock with these. I'll definitely be throwing on the black laces for the on foot. But I mean, if you guys want to see both, let me know. But overall, man, they're clean. They're not perfect by any means. There's like weird threads sticking out of this. Like I showed you guys that hole. Just done pretty sloppy. But I mean, what Jordan isn't done sloppy? Like, are those even things to complain about these days? Overall, I think if you can get these for retail, it's a cool cop. I just like green. It looks good. I think if you do decide to go for these, you'll be happy for sure. And if you decide, you know, they're not for me, you didn't miss out on anything. We got 37 more Air Jordan 1 releases this year. Like, there's so many shoes coming out, guys. Like, it is absolutely insane to try to keep up with all these releases. I do it because, you know, it's my job. I love shoes, bro, in general. But I feel a lot of people like, damn. I mean, if you were just buying one pair of Jordan 1s each month, let's say at $180, man, you're looking at $2,100 a year. You know what I mean? That's a vacation, brother. And let's be honest, bro. It's really, in reality, it's like every 2 weeks, there's a new shoe that is at least 180. You know what I mean? But yeah, for first look on these, man, they're dope. I like the color. I really do. Let me know down below in the comments, man. Is this a cop or a drop? And I'll catch you guys in the review.